ẹni tí kì í ṣọ̀rẹ́ àwọn ọ̀tá mi. Olúńkángun ọ̀run àjọsìn Òdùmarè ọ̀pá tírín kanlẹ̀. Òjò mìnìmìnì tí jára ó dẹ̀ èèyàn, òrùn wá kígbà ó padà bọ̀. Ìṣálẹ̀ alẹ́, òru kíkáwọ́ rẹ̀ ló wà. Ìyìn rẹ̀ ló dá wa fún Ọlọ́run. Ìyìn rẹ̀ ló dá wa fún Olódùmarè. Ìkọ̀kọ̀ ọ̀run ọwọ́ rẹ̀ ló wà, ibì kan ló ń gbé. Ìyìn rẹ̀ kò ní tán lẹ́nu wa. Àwa gbé ọ ga o. Àwa gbé ọ ga o. Àwa nìran.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's popping, guys? My name is Okwe, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. It's a great day, it's a beautiful day. Yes, I look like a bloody scrap, but we're about to fix that in a minute. This video is a hair review video. I don't have anywhere I'm going, but I'm like, why not do a 2-in-1 basically. So you just see me beat my face and slay my hair. So the hair we're using today is the Yaki straight by MegaLook hair. This hair is gorgeous. Like, immediately they sent me the link and I saw it, I'm like, yes. I didn't even think twice. I'm like, yes. I've always wanted a wig like this, seeing as I left Team Natural. So let me cook fake Team Naturalness. Yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to lay the hair first and then do my makeup. I'm not going to really explain the makeup because you guys have seen me do my makeup 1,001 times. Just watch me slay. Go be. So the hair came in this bag. Actually, it came in this box, and then they put in some cool goodies. So I'm glad they did not send me Caucasian wig cap because I'm not Caucasian, you get. So I like the fact that it came with a coffee brown wig cap, because if you use this kind of wig cap and you're dark skin, perfect. I have a headband. This is cute. And then a tail comb. Thank you, because I'm always losing my tail comb. So yeah, best part about this whole hair thing is that it already came in a wig. You guys know that making a wig is not one of my favorite things. I just have to do it because I have to do it. So this already came in a wig. Guys, the texture is mad. Can you see how it looks? It literally looks like real hair. And let me show you the construction of the wig. So it's basically simple. It has 3 combs and this band and the extra band. You get me? I don't like tight wigs because anybody got time for headaches, so I'm probably going to cut this thing off. Ooh, okay, the band is actually not tight. I was hoping for the worst, but not bad. Like, it fits perfectly, seeing as like I make my wigs really loosely so that I can control how tight it is. But this actually fits pretty well. And this is me, I've not even put my foundation in the place because I would really not like to destroy this hairline. I'm just going to like mark it with pencil so I know where to cut. And then this is my ears, so I'm going to mark my ear tab there. Shout out to Sophiology for this technique. Pray for your girl. I went specially to go and buy this thing. Let's see. Okay, that shall not spoil it in Jesus' name. This technique might be real. Guys, I must have done something. And you know the best part about this, using this thing, this eyebrow shaver thing, it gives you that jagged edge that is like really preferred, so your wig looks even more natural. How am I supposed to do this? Okay. Yeah. Oh, babe. You don't come again. Oh, God. Man. Okay. I know what to do. My mom will say, meaning something that cannot breathe. But does not, that non-living thing cannot have more sense than you. So you see the lace is darker and it matches my skin a bit better. I put foundation and set the foundation with powder. So now we're just going to go ahead. Obviously I butchered my ear tab again as usual. Nothing is surprising. We're just going to go ahead and stick it. So wish me luck. I'm using only Go to Big spray. I like moving my lace forward because see, when I move it forward, I cover this whole, can you see, like all this forehead. So when I place it like somewhere around here, so I look like, oh wow, this girl doesn't have forehead, but she does. I just always open my wigs like this and then spray the gel around my hairline. I like this gel because it's sharp. Ooh, to the answer. If you're someone that like to be taking your time between blow drying, I don't got no time for that. Like literally, when I wear my wig, I dedicate like less than 10 minutes. Can you see? Ooh, yes. Pulling, laying flat. So I'm using Got to Be glue on a normal eyeshadow brush, so it can get into this, like all the little parts that are lifting.
Hello, Shade. I open that street and you're good, but you don't understand this. The troubles never last. Pain seems so much, and all your hope seems lost. Oh, girl, I wanna be a supermodel and that runway and photo shoots. Ooh, she just wants to be free. She's suffered so long, trouble seems more. She's in the pain, she don't leave things to get there. Oh, you can call me a dreamer, cause I wanna be a star in the sky. I'm older than life, but I might not look like what I believe. But it's coming to pass, it's coming to pass. Idiole sorry for tomorrow. After the pain comes the sun. Oh, better. Meant for the feet, said I was weak and I was never gonna make it till the end. One be mo sorry, me will my hopes, my dreams on thrown away. Graduates, no job, but my life I do. Got to keep faith cause I'm going far, so I keep pressing on.
So guys, this is the final look. Am I getting better at laying my edges or what? Do you know how I know that I got better? Every single day of the YouTube boot camp, I had to wear a frontal. Like when you have to do it 5 days in a row because you did not carry any closure wig, you learn how to do it faster. So I feel like that's where I learned. But guys, look at this hair. Like no, proper take a look. I'm shocked at how full and light this hair is. Like see, bloody light. It's not like my other wig that 4 bundles it felt like I was in oven. So let me give you the details of this hair. It's from MegaLook and it's their lace frontal Yaki straight Brazilian human hair lace wig, and this is in 26 inches actually. You guys know I always come with coupon codes. If you guys want this hair, you can get something shorter. You get, if you guys want this hair, all the links to the hair is going to be in the description box. I love it. If you know how long I've wanted this kind of hair, like texture, since I was doing my masters. If you check my AliExpress basket, this hair is there. Like that's for you to know how long I've wanted this texture, and I'm so glad I got it. And not only got it, I'm so glad I got to review it for you guys on my channel. I hope you guys love it. I want to show you guys the length. Love this hair works. Do we love this hair or what? And this look, Like, I've been wanting to do this kind of makeup look in a long time. It was very easy. I just used those neon pigments that has been like raving on Instagram, guys. So if you guys want this hair, trust me, it's going to be, all the links is going to be in the description box, coupon codes and everything. MegaLook is actually available on AliExpress or on their website, so you can either buy from anyone. And it took them like 3 days to ship to Nigeria. Like, after I gave them my address, 2 working days after, I got the package and they delivered to my doorstep. So yeah, that's a plus. Since I have been running my hands through it, it hasn't shed. The only part that was coming off was the part I cut off the lace at the ear tab, and that was all. Since then, I'm going to obviously give you guys an updated review. You guys know I always do 2 reviews per hair or per wig. Best believe this hair is gonna be rocked. You guys are gonna be seeing this. But I did a good job with the frontal look. Like, I'm proper shook. We're getting there. You guys, your girl is about to become a slay mama. So thank you guys for hanging with me, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check the description box. Every single link to everything you need is in the description box. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. I know we've gotten like a lot of new people that haven't really seen this side of me yet, except you watched my old videos. But then yeah, sometimes I slay, and I slay hard. So yeah, just don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment. What do you guys think? Are you feeling this hair? Are you feeling it? And it's kinky, no matter what. You no need for detangling, no need for straightening, no need for tonguing. You just lay your frontal and you're good to go. As you guys see, and I didn't even bleach the inside, and it doesn't look crazy. Can you see? Usually with my normal wigs, I have to bleach the knots. The moment I just put my foundation, it was cool. Let me stop rambling. Peace out. Bye. Love you. Kisses. Let's move to the outro. I'm hungry as hell, but yeah, let's move to the outro.
To the sky, I'd elevate. The future's bright, ain't nothing less. Yeah, till I touch the sky. You can call me a dreamer. I wanna be a star in the sky. I'm more than life, but I might not look like what I believe. But it's coming to pass. It's coming to pass. Iji ole sakwe korumara o. After the rain comes the sun. Oh, padale o la adara. Just hold on and be strong. Iji ole sakwe korumara o. After the rain comes the sun. Oh, padale o la adara. Yeah, just hold on and believe. I believe I take possession. I believe I stand and fight. I believe my light will shine. I believe I'll touch the sky. I believe there's no stopping me now. Say I believe I take possession. I believe I'll touch the sky. I believe my light will shine. I believe I'll touch the sky. I believe there's no stopping me now. I faith, you gotta believe. Iji ole sobe korumara o. After the rain comes the sun. Bo padale o la hadara. Just hold on and be strong.